can exist in four phases, or states: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Generally, as a solid is heated, or as pressure decreases, it will change to a liquid form, and will eventually become a gas. For example, ice, which is frozen water, melts into liquid water when it is heated. As the water boils, the water evaporates, and then becomes vapor. Sometimes a solid can go directly from a solid to a gas. This is called subliming. An example of sublimation is dry ice. The solid, frozen form of carbon dioxide, CO2, turns into a gaseous carbon dioxide at standard temperature and pressure. Now let's go over these phases. A solid is a matter in which the molecules are very close together and cannot move around, such as rocks, wood, etc. A liquid is a matter in which the molecules are close together and move around slowly, such as water, mercury at room temperature, etc. Gases are matter in which the molecules are widely separated, move around freely, and move at high speeds. Examples of that are oxygen, nitrogen, and others. Finally, plasma is a gas that is composed of free-floating ions, which are atoms stripped of some electrons positively charged, and free electrons negatively charged. A plasma conducts electrical currents. Plasma was discovered by William Crookes in 1879. There are many different types of plasma, and there is plasma in stars, including our sun. The phenomenon of melting under pressure and freezing again when the pressure is reduced is called regelation. It is one of the properties of water that distinguishes it from other materials. Every phase change has a certain amount of energy required to change that unit of mass from a substance from one phase to another. For example, from solid to liquid is called the latent heat of fusion. Liquid to gas is latent heat of vaporization.